Hi, so I've already prepped my skin with some serums, and now I'm gonna mix the sunblock and my primer from DYS, and I'm gonna apply it now. Next, I will be doing my eyebrows. So she has fairly parang plakadong brows, meaning parang everything is right in place. The brow hairs are just perfect. So I'm going to do that too to my eyebrows with these very thin strokes using this BLK parang brow pen, brow liner, and it's waterproof. I've also noticed when it comes to Korean makeup, like everything is just so clean. So I'm just putting on a very, very light baby pink eyeshadow all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to put a slightly mauve color near the eyelid or near the eyelashes. I'm going to do the same for here. Then very thinly, I apply a gray eyeshadow on the same area then. Then the eyeliner is supposed to be straight going down. Ganun eh, ganun pag Korean eh. It's like that instead of like that. Then I'm lightly dabbing some concealer. Konti lang kasi ang Korean makeup is very clean, very crisp. Tapos I'll just set it lang with powder. Then I'm lightly gonna contour the nose. Very, very light lang. Then I'm gonna use this one and very, very lightly lang. Soft touching brush. Yeah. Just a hint of that baby pink. And I'm gonna use this bronzer and just lightly, lightly it on my face. Using this Pillow Talk lip color. Naglagay na rin ako ng lashes na, sakto lang. And I'm putting on my hairline powder.
And it don't change. If I had it my way, you should know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me, give it all? I just wanna see how beautiful you are.